Hello and welcome. Today we are going to start with the web exploitation medium challenges. We're going to start with SQLiLite. Okay, we have SQL injection in a SQLiLite machine maybe or a website. Let's go into the website. Okay, maybe we can try admin like this. This payload could work. Isn't working. Okay, let's maybe try admin or 1 equals 1. Logged in, but can you see the flag? It's in plain sight. Okay, can we see the source code for this? Control U. Okay, the flag is here. It's an H1. It's a tag. It's a hidden tag. Okay, we can get the flag right here, and this is so simple. This should be in the easy tier.